Hi guys. So you went ahead and you finished writing your conclusion today, and what we need to do now to be prepared for our next meeting is go ahead and put everything together so that we have an entire essay. Okay. So this is your graphic organizer. This is an example from last year. So we went ahead and we have our hook, our bridge, our summary, and our thesis. What you guys need to do, you need to copy every single part, hit Control C, come down and paste it in. Make sure you do that for every single box of the intro, okay? Once you have that done, you'll have your entire intro here. You're gonna do the same exact thing for each body paragraph. You have everything complete. And then at the bottom it says, starting with the topic sentence, copy everything in the order that it comes into the box below. And you're gonna do that right here, okay? So we would start with our topic sentence, Control C, come down to the bottom, hit Control V. Then go back up. Same thing with the I, Control C, make sure there's a period there, Control V, and so on, okay? Once you're done with that, you're gonna go ahead, you're going to copy each body paragraph, obviously starting with the intro, then the first body, then the second body, and then the conclusion. And you're gonna go to this handy dandy document that you already have a copy of, okay, your MLA format setup template, and you're gonna go ahead and start pasting everything in as you need, okay? Once you have every single item placed in there, you're gonna wanna highlight all the parts of the text. Go up to the font, and I want you to go ahead and find Times New Roman, okay? It has to be Times New Roman, not Arial, but Times New Roman, and change that. Keep everything highlighted still. Now, make sure everything is 12. Now go up to format, hit line spacing, make it double, okay? That is the way that your essay needs to be set up, okay? Now, it won't automatically be indented over here. Every single new paragraph needs to be indented. So you go over here, hit tab. Only hit it once and it will go ahead and do that for you. Now, if we had our first body, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull this from here. And we're gonna go ahead and copy and then hit enter once and hit paste, okay? Paste it in. There should be no extra line spacing here. You only, from right here, so if we undo that again, if you're right here, hit enter once and only once, and then go ahead and paste your paragraph in. Now, more than likely, it won't have that indent automatically, so it's gonna look like that. So again, just hit tab, and that's it, okay? You're gonna continue doing that for every single paragraph, body or intro, body 1, body 2, and conclusion. Now, up at the top, you're gonna have to put your name, okay? First and last name. Class. It should say language arts, and then the period, okay? So this line that you have, write the period that you have language arts. I am Miss Newsick, I am your teacher, so you're gonna leave that how it is. Now, this is the due date, okay? We are not in December, we are not in 2019. So your due date for this paper is the 20th of October, comma, 2020, okay? It needs to be written in this way because this is the right MLA format, okay? So again, we just have that X there. Then you have the title, okay? Your title is not italicized, it is not bold, it is not underlined. It is the same Times New Roman 12-point font as the rest of your paper, okay? It doesn't have a fancy different font. It's going to be all the same, okay? And it should be centered in the middle. Now, we notice that we have our last name and page number up at the top. What you need to do to get that, go to Insert, go to Headers, click Header. You're going to want to align it over to the right-hand side, and you want your last name, okay? It needs to be your last name up there. You also need to make sure that this is also in Times New Roman, okay? If it's not, you will lose points for having the paper not formatted correctly. Now, do not put the number 1 up here. Instead, go to Format, go to Page Numbers, okay? And you want the page numbers in the header, and you want it to start at 1. So then you hit Apply, and then it's there, okay? That's how this paper needs to be set up. If it is not set up in this way, you again will lose points. So double, triple check. Okay, you all have this template. If you don't, it is again posted in Polaris for you.